my hair warriors, it's me, Aaron O'Brien, your friendly neighborhood hairdresser. Today's video is sponsored by Lordhair.com. And today's video, you are going to get ready with me while we read Reddit questions about hair systems. Let's see what the people are asking. All right, first question, need help. But first up, I need help. So I'm gonna remove this hair system because I'm going from dark to blonde. Woo. So, our first question we have here is, I would really like some advice. I accidentally found out that my partner was wearing a hair system while being intimate 2 years ago. I tried to talk to them about it. They have monthly appointments for maintenance. I feel like they are still very closed off about talking about it. I've never seen them without it, and I feel like I may never, which worries me because I want them to feel comfortable around me. Aww. Any advice or tools to make them feel more comfortable and provide a judgment-free zone? Well, while I'm coloring my hair, let's answer this question. When it comes to bringing up talking about hair systems and making people feel more comfortable, it's always a little bit tricky. But in my experience, making people feel more comfortable is talking about maybe a friend who had it done, an imaginary friend, or showing pictures online or something that you may have found on social media. I think it's super important to do your research as well, so you seem knowledgeable when they ask the question or you ask them the question about whether they're wearing a hair system. Also, make sure that they know that you think bald is beautiful as well, because you know what? Bald is beautiful and they're just using this as an enhancement, so make sure that they know that you're comfortable either way. And always make sure that they know you love them no matter what they look like. Personality at the end of the day is what counts, and show them your interest in hair systems, like how cool they are, that you've seen someone online. Show them maybe some TikToks or Instagrams that you've seen with hair systems like Lordhair. So if you show them the Lordhair Instagram or TikTok, they have so many cool transformations that to make them feel comfortable that you love the whole procedure and you just want to be involved. I think that's the best thing to do. Just in case anyone has any questions about coloring your hair with a hair system, I use 10-minute color, so you can use just for men as well, that develops quickly, but I always color my grays. If I didn't have color in my hair, it would be completely white, and I like to match my hair system, so always use a color chart with the brand that you use and match it up, or ask Lordhair.com any questions that you might have about matching your hair color, and they'll answer you. Can someone suggest if this look can be achieved through a hair system? Is it possible to buy, cut, apply it yourself, or if a custom made and salon installed is better? Also, advice on a daily basis if the front lace lifts due to sweat. This is perfect. I'm actually about to get my scalp prepped, and we're talking about this look and sweat, so this is great. So that actual look I have done many times. So if you look at my previous video, which we're running here, this is so easy to do. You can leave the system longer so you don't have to cut it, and you can basically just slick it back and put it in a ponytail, and it's very easy to do. Talking about no sweat, I love this. This is called No Sweat. I got this online. You basically spritz it onto a towel or a cotton pad and you dab it around, and it actually helps with prevention of sweating. After that, I will be using this skin prep, and that also helps. That creates another barrier between the hair system base and your scalp itself. But I just dab this around first, like that, and I leave it just for a couple of seconds, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm gonna put this on. This is my scalp prep. Make sure you apply with clean hands, which my hands are. You're gonna spritz around. Oh. And then just rub it in with your fingers. Make sure that you move it down your hairline, and then just rub it around and leave it for 30 seconds, or take a hairdryer and give it a cool shot for maybe 10 seconds until it's a little bit tacky to touch, and then you're ready to apply your hair system. Okay, best place to order hair systems. Great question, because I can tell you exactly where. Hey guys, I got a hair system for the first time on Friday from a salon in Australia. Price was $1,500. Wow. In future, I would like to order a few by myself. Where do you guys recommend purchasing systems from, and what kind of system is the best to order? Thanks. All right, great question. $1,500? Wow, that's a lot of money. Go to lordhair.com. They have a bunch of systems that suit everybody's needs. They have thin skin, lace system, all of those amazing systems that are perfect for everybody. To choose a system for you, read through the information, the directions, and it will coordinate with your lifestyle. That's how you're going to pick your system. You can always contact Lordhair as well, and they will give you the best information possible and help you through your system journey and which ones to pick. Talking about a Lordhair system, I'm about to apply my beautiful Neo here. It's ready to go on, and wait and you see the quality of this. So when applying your hair system, you want to place your two thumbs in the middle. When you put it to your scalp, you want to make sure that your two thumbs hit underneath your marker of your forehead, just underneath it, and this will lay just on the marker itself. Super easy to apply, may take a few goes if you are a new user, but you'll definitely get used to it. Okay, once your hair system is on and it's on perfectly, you're gonna take a towel and you're gonna press it down. That's gonna help the glue adhere a little bit better to the scalp and work out if you have put in any wrinkles. It'll start to work them out a little bit more. Okay, so let's have a look at this hairline. Wow. This is why I love Lordhair systems, because the hairline is perfection. I want a hair system, but I'm embarrassed to get it applied. I bought a hair system like 2 years ago, but never wore it. I'm almost 24 and my hair is horrible and I don't want to wear a hat every day anymore. I'm just so embarrassed to get it installed and reach out to the barbers or get it cut. I know I will be happy to have one, but just can't get past the embarrassment of application. Is it not that bad? Honestly, hair systems are so popular. Here at my salon, at the Cellar, we do about 5 men's hair a day. We do so many people's hair. And wigs are so prominent now. People wear wigs. It's just not what you think it is. This is the new age of having the hair that you really want and being able to wear something that looks so natural. And if anything, I only get positive remarks. People who think it's amazing, that they would love to try one. So don't be embarrassed about it. Reach out to lordhair.com, have a look at their stuff online, check out their social media and the thousands and thousands of men that wear hair systems through transformations. And I think you would absolutely love one. So a hairdresser is basically like a doctor when it comes to hair system. Melissa here wouldn't even bat an eyelid when it comes to applying hair systems or seeing a hair system. So it's great to go to someone who does specialize in hair systems to make sure that it's cut properly and someone who has a lot of familiarity with it. But don't ever be embarrassed. You're gonna look fantastic. It might be a big deal to you, but not to anybody else. Hair is cut and ready to go before I style, so here is the last question. After applying product to my hair, do I need to wash it so it doesn't build up? So I'm on vacation for a couple of days and have hair products in my hair. Sunscreen, hairspray, leave-in gel to avoid some sun damage. Well, is it okay to have this product in my hair today and tomorrow before heading home to wash it out? Or do you think I'll dry out my hair? Tomorrow, I'll almost be using a little more leave-in conditioner and sunscreen spray on the morning. So yes, you can use product in your hair. I've left product in my hair for 2 days, 3 days, and it's completely fine. Use more moisturizing products like lighter pastes, lighter hairsprays, something with more flexible hold. And sunscreen, I'd probably avoid sunscreen around the hairline. Anything like that you have to be careful of. Anything like conditioning or conditioning agents can make the glue move a little bit, so be really careful when applying that. But everything else, I think you're okay with. All right, let's get to styling so we can see the final product. Okay, so it is finished and I am absolutely in love with the blonde and the system fits seamlessly. Hairline looks great and I'm ready to go. I hope I answered all of your questions, and if you have anything that you want to ask, make sure you put in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching my video and I'll see you all very soon. Bye!